City leaders are making recommendations on how more than $300 million from the American Rescue Plan should be spent.
WDRB's Dalton Godby walks us through the 4 priority areas. Dalton?
The proposed resolution recommends that the city spend the funds in the following areas: homelessness, economic development, public health, and public safety.
With this $388 million, we have the opportunity to take ideas that were once reserved for someday and turn them into reality now.
After public input and debate between city leaders, there is a proposal on how Louisville will spend the millions of dollars from the American Rescue Plan.
The data shows where we have potential for significant impact, and public input overwhelmingly fell into the 4 focus areas.
The 4 areas of priority where city leaders will recommend spending are homelessness and affordable housing, workforce development and small business support, healthcare needs, and public safety. The recommendation includes auxiliary areas for spending, such as premium pay for essential city employees, COVID-19 mitigation efforts, and possible infrastructure projects.
And Metro Council will approve projects in each of the focus areas that promote equity and make a sustainable, significant community impact, rather than smaller projects that, while valuable, don't have the potential to make lasting change in the community.
From the start, city leaders have expressed the desire to use these funds to make a lasting impact. The focus areas have been identified, and the city says it's time for the community to step up with eligible proposals.
We're going to need to hear from the service providers in the community on how they would respond to being a recipient of the funds than to conduct those services. So it's going to be kind of a hybrid approach with these projects.
We need all of those people to come to the table and begin to really submit some very concrete proposals for meeting the goals that are set out in the resolution.
It could be near the end of the year before the spending plan is finalized.
The establishment of priority areas this month will allow us to begin formally seeking out and evaluating projects, which is the next step in putting these remarkable dollars to work.
Once community organizations decide to submit a proposal for how they would spend the money, Metro Council will decide if and how much money will be allocated. Live at Metro Hall, Dalton Godby, WDRB News.
Thanks.